I'm gonna be doing a hair video. I'm gonna be doing two. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some rubber bands. I think I'm gonna do Bantu knots in the front and it's gonna be out in the back. But so it's gonna be real cute. Okay, so for your materials, for like brushes and like comb wise, you're gonna need a white tooth comb. And then you're also gonna need a rat tail comb. You're gonna need Edgewax, Murray's Edgewax. One or the other, you can use Eco Styler. The ones I like to use are the olive oil and the sports. Today I'm gonna be using the olive oil because I'm not gonna go anywhere because it's quarantine, so I'm not gonna be doing any sporting events. And then lastly, you need an edge brush and some edge control. I use the Ebin edge control. Accessory wise, rubber bands. I have red rubber bands, if you can see. So let's get into the hair. So I look like a complete fool, but it's really whatever. I have my hair in 4 dookie braids, so I'm just gonna take the braids out. And then I like working with my hair while it's wet, so I'm gonna wet it. Not too much, but wet it just enough. Just wet my hair. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm using the sink. I'm gonna wet my hair. My hair is already oiled. My scalp is already oiled up and stuff. And then I'm just gonna detangle my hair. Shouldn't be that tough because I had it in braids. And then you're gonna do that for the rest of the 4 sections. And then your hair is gonna end up like this if you had it in braids before. So this is kind of an idea of how the hair is gonna look. So I'm gonna speed this right through, but I'm gonna do this for the rest of the sections. So now this is what we have right here. So I'm gonna wet this and put some oil down. Put some oil or some grease or something in the scalp area. This is optional, you don't need to put oil down, but if you want to, you could. Okay, then I'm gonna take some Eco Styler and put it near the roots, I shall say. The roots of the hair. And then you're gonna put it in like a twist or whatever so you can figure out where you want it. And then you're gonna put Edgewax near the edge area. And then you're gonna take your edge brush and kind of like swoop it up, if you know what I'm saying. And then I like to double up on these rubber bands because these rubber bands like to break, the colorful ones. So I'm just gonna take the hair where I want it. And then put it in a pony. So it should look something like this. So I'll get back to you when I finish all the other Bantu knots. Okay, so I have finished. Don't mind if they're a little white, that's just a gel. So this is gonna be like the finished little product. And I took out my edges because I'm gonna do those. So next I'm going to get another rubber band and I'm just gonna twist these and make them into little Bantu knots. It's gonna be real cute. Let me try to move these out the way. Yeah, do not mind my edges because they're looking very rough right now. So if I look over here, I'm looking at my mirror. I'm sorry. Because I'm just trying to figure out. Okay. So it's like a little knotty knot. Then I'm going to do that for the rest of my little Bantu knot. I'm gonna just use some Eco Styler and some water. Just rub that in and just put that all on my hair. Cause this is kind of the finished product. Kinda. The hairstyle is complete. It's just I need to do these baby hairs because we can't go outside. Well, we're not going outside anyways, but you know what I'm trying to say. You can't have a look without the baby hairs. So here's how my edges are looking right now. They're looking a little rough. So we're just gonna fix them up a bit. So we're gonna apply the edge control. This is not an edge tutorial, so I'm not gonna go like in depth of what I am doing, but just know I'm doing my edges. So did my edges. They were low-key rushed because I wanted to get this video, and I suggest that you will wrap it up. Wrap your hair up with some like a scarf or something. So this will be the finished product. This is the hair. Don't mind if the hair is a little lopsided. One side might look different from the other, thank you for watching this hair tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is my first YouTube video, so share, tell your mama, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, everybody, period. So yeah, this is the finished product. So do your hair, sis.